KV Karthik, Managing Director, Deccan Industries, President, Indian Pump Manufacturers Association. In Deccan Industries, we are using the Adroit New Age static stabilizers for the past 8 years. We are extremely happy with that performance. Their static stabilizers have considerably reduced our downtime due to electrical power outrages and voltage fluctuations. This has improved our productivity and we are extremely happy with the product. Before that, we used to use the servo stabilizers where because of the time for the corrections, we used to face a lot of issues in our expensive machineries like the state-of-art CNC machineries. But when we went to them with these problems, they gave us the solution with this state-of-the-art static stabilizers, which have totally reduced our downtime. Not only that, it has improved our productivity also. Apart from this, we see them as a solution provider, not as a product supplier. When our incoming voltage went below the limit for the stabilizer, they designed us a new transformer and gave it to us, which is supporting us very well for the past 3 to 4 years. We are extremely happy with the product, and in a future expansion also, we are looking forward for their support. Their product is of a great use for the Coimbatore engineering industry, where we are now, most of them are going for the automation and most of the state-of-art machineries are being used. And particularly for our pump industry, where more and more automation is being brought in. Thank you and wishing them all the best.